Today we are going to take dance directions. Here, directions. Okay, page number 69. Understand? Dear students, today we are going to learn about moving in a clockwise, anti-clockwise, half turn, and quarter turn. Understand? Dear student, today first we are going to learn clockwise. What is a clockwise? Clockwise, you see, like here, look, this is a clockwise. It is turned like here, it is a clockwise, like this. Understand? Look, this is a clockwise, clockwise. This is a clockwise. Dear students, what is a clockwise? First, we can study clockwise. We already understand what is a clockwise. Like a clock. Clock turning. How is it turning clock? We studied before. Look, clock is turning to like this. Yes, to right side. Look, clock. It is a clockwise. One more time I say clockwise means to turn like this. Look, it is a clockwise. Understand? It is a clockwise. But what is a anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise means opposite of the clockwise. How? So clockwise like this. Yes, like this, like. But the anti-clockwise, what is that? Opposite, like this. This is very easy for you. Okay. Clockwise means like this, but anti-clockwise means like this. Look, this is a anti-clockwise. Clockwise like this, anti-clockwise like this. Understand? Dear student, next we can learn half turn. First we studied clockwise. Clockwise means full turn. Yes, it is a turning fully. It is a clockwise. After that we studied anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise also full turning, but it's a half turn. Half turn. Listen, it is a half turn means like this. Only turning in a half. Look, this is half. It is a half turning. Understand? It is a half turning. Half side here, half turning. It is called half turning. Understand? Next, we can study quarter turn. Quarter turning. Here we can draw like this four part in a circle. Yes, is a we can write one here, two, sorry, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. So four part. Yes, in each part, look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is a four part. It is a this part. Look, only this part. This part we can write 1. It is a part 1. Okay, 1 by 1 fourth. It is a quarter part. We studied before. Yes, so it is a 1 fourth. It is a quarter part. This is another quarter part. Look here also 1 by 4. Another quarter part. And here also another quarter part. Look 1, 3. It is here also 1 by 4. Here also another quarter part 1 by 4. This is a like this 4 quarter part. 4 quarter part equal is a one whole picture. Understand? Quarter part understand? Half part understand? I think everyone understand you. Okay, bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.
So when we're talking about time, the most important things that you need to learn in fourth grade are, first of all, how to read a clock. Hopefully, you already know how to do that. But also, what is counterclockwise and what does clockwise mean? So, clockwise, if it ever says rotate it clockwise, clockwise is just the way that a clock normally rotates, which is always to the right. So it goes from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6. Counterclockwise, counter just means like opposite. So opposite of clockwise. So if clockwise is right, counterclockwise is going to be left. Once you understand what clockwise and counterclockwise is, you have to know how to cut things into quarters. So on this clock, I've cut it into 4 quarters. So if I imagine this as a circle, which it is, the circle is cut up into 4 pieces. 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces. So this is 1 out of all 4 of the pieces, so that's 1/4. If I do both of these, that's 2/4. If I do 3 of them, it's 3/4. And if I do 4 of them, that's 4/4. 2/4 is also equal to 1/2 because I'm covering 1/2 of the clock. So, say I start at 10 o'clock. There's 10 o'clock. And I'm supposed to figure out what 2 quarters past 10 o'clock is. That's 1/4, and that's 2 quarters. So the time is 10:30. When you're reading a clock, you need to know one very specific thing. If the hour hand, which is the smaller, thicker hand, if the hour hand is in between 2 numbers, so the 11 and the 10, it's always the smallest number that you read first. So this isn't 11:30, it's 10:30. It's not 11:45, it's 10:45 because the 10 is the first number, not the 11. Even if I get to right there, even though it looks like it's on the 11, it's not. So we haven't passed that 12 or that 60 mark yet. This is 10:59, not 11:59. So always remember, wherever this hour hand is, whatever 2 numbers it's between, it's always to the one that comes earliest.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. How are you? How are you, dear students? Listen, today this is a homework. Page number, look, 68. How many different shapes can you see? How many different shapes can you see? How many different shapes? Here, many shapes: oval, triangle, rectangles, circle. Like that, many picture you can see here. How many different shapes you can write? Next, how many are there of each shape? Each shape, how many? You checked. How do you know you have found them all? You just find it all picture. Okay, and after that you make one picture like this shape. Okay, you make one picture like any picture. Maybe you can make this picture, another any picture you can make it with some circle. Maybe you can use it rectangle, like that, square, like that, any shape you can use it. Okay, and you check that all. This is a homework for the next class. Okay, assalamu alaikum.